guys, XTechride, and today I am going to show you a full tour on iOS 6. Messages, contacts, notes, videos, YouTube, Game Center, Photos, Photo Booth, and FaceTime have not changed at all. I am going to show you the apps that have changed. Reminders, I don't really use it that much, but I can say that I think it looks a little bit different with this calendar down here, where you can see all your pending and completed reminders. You have your today, your lists, where you can create new lists and things like that. And yep, that's how it looks like. Okay, next is Maps. Maps had a major change. Now, as you can see, it's working with TomTom, where you can have 3D look at that. You can actually see the 3D world using the different settings as shown here. Traffic, you also get step-by-step directions from wherever you want to go from point A to point B. And yep, that's it for maps. Really good. Next is, well, calendar. You may say it changed a little bit. You have here your different calendars in iCloud and things like that. Invitations. You can see it in day mode, week, month, year, or a list of all the stuff you have in your calendar. So next is iTunes, which along with the App Store have had a major changeover. You can see this menu down here that is changed a lot. And let's wait for it to load. You have this awesome interface where you just swipe through the featured up here, and you have the albums and other stuff down here, as well as the singles, stuff like that. If you use iTunes, I don't use iTunes that much, but it does look really amazing. You can just buy your movies, just swipe through your movies, which makes your store experience quite better and more interesting. Next is the App Store, which is here, and this also got a major change. As you can see, it's very similar to the iTunes Store. You just swipe through your featured up here. New and noteworthy is like this format. The great apps for the new iPad or whatever the menu is here. You can also browse through books, business, catalogs, more, and here are all the categories. And in top charts, you get your 3 rows of paid, free, and grossing, where you can just swipe down through each and every one of them as you like. You also have Genius purchased and updates as well. So I guess that is it, guys. Those are the major changes to iOS 6. Music didn't really change much either. Only that when you click on like an album and you play or something, and you click on that, you may see this little difference in the theme of like when you play a song. Oh, I forgot clock. This is the newest. It's like brought from the iPhone to the iPad, but you can see that Apple didn't do it just to say, oh, we transferred it from the iPhone to the iPad. It's just a major change. You can have 24 different clocks here, and each time you add, you just have this awesome interface with the map here, and it's either day or night. Let's say I add some really far away place, you can see it's night there, And if we go ahead and click on alarm, you can also have an alarm which will basically swipe through every other alarm app in the App Store. You can just add alarms here with your own songs. You can pick a song from your iTunes library, and you can buy other tones, and you have this with all your different alarms here. You also have a really nice stopwatch where you start here, you put a lap, it looks really good. Here you stop and reset, and a timer where you put how long you want it. Here you select the sound, and here you start it, and you have this cool, well, if I make it shorter, you have that cool thing like that. Once it goes around, plays the ringtone. And that's it for the major changes in iOS 6. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was really useful for you. If you did like it, you can subscribe and also give a look to my other videos, and comment, rate to XTechride. I'll see you later, guys.